As soon as you try to connect to the engine, the system will prompt you ways on how you can connect. You can connect using a USB or a Bluetooth device to the Jaltest device, which is then connected with the JDC 213.9 and the 505A to your system. This is the pinout on your machine. This is where the pin would go. It will tell you exactly what it looks like and where the pin needs to connect. For any reason, if you don't have this connector, you always have the multi-pin connector that's already part of your kit. You can always connect the pins. It will tell you like the A, B, C, D. It'll tell you which pin goes where, and then you'll be able to diagnose in case if you don't have the other cables. Let's jump into the fault code reading, see how we could go through that. So there are some fault codes stored in the memory at the moment. Let's have a look here. For example, this one we have is the engine oil pressure. We can do a freeze frame data. They'll tell you the last occurrence, the last hour of the occurrence, if the warning lamp is on or off, if the system state is active or non-active. Then you can also get help and components of the fault code. For example, it's the CS3 oil pressure switch. For example, if you click here, it will tell you exactly which part is faulty. For example, this is the oil pressure switch, and it will also tell you the location where it's located. So it's located right here. There you go. So this eliminates all the guesswork for your mechanic, makes their job easy. You can also look at the fault code troubleshooting. This will take you step by step on how you can clear the fault code. There you go. So you go step by step and it'll tell you each step how you can check if the fault code is still active. You go through all the procedures and you just keep continuing, and it will show you how you can fix that. Also, I mentioned about the troubleshooting by symptoms. So this is very helpful in case if you would like to see what is happening. For example, if the coolant fluid is in the engine oil, you can go ahead and click on that, and it will tell you step by step how you can fix that problem, how you can troubleshoot it. So let's jump into the monitoring right now, what kind of data points we have. Some live data selection. Let's have a look. So I believe we've got good coverage in terms of the live data points. So these live data points are very good in terms of monitoring. For example, this is good. So we have about 456 live data points, all the way from pressure, temperature, to voltage, all the way down. And you can always select the ones that you want. If you want to select them all the ones that are essential at the moment, and you can review them in real time, either in the form of a graph or in the form of gauges. For example, if there are pressure gauges, if you'd like to see if the pressure is too high or if the pressure is too low for any matter, the system will tell you, and it will help your mechanic make certain decisions accordingly. Let's have a look at the system display. This will give you a live diagram of the fuel system as well as the after treatment system. Let's have a look at the fuel system first. So this diagram will show you a live display of what the current fuel system is, just to give you an idea. And the second one will show you a live diagram of the after treatment system as well.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-624-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.